everyone, welcome to my channel. My name is Vice and today we are watching Chainsaw Man episode 12, the finale of season 1. Oh, this has been an incredible show. Honestly, I enjoyed this a lot more than I thought I was going to, and I'm so happy I decided to watch this. It's been so much fun. But in the last episode, we finally started our raid on the Snake Girl and the Sword Man. I don't know their names, but we're getting revenge for Himeno and for everything they've done to us, and I just can't wait for Denji, Power, and Aki to kick all their asses. They have to. I have so much faith in them. It's insane considering they were absolutely bodied the last time they fought them, but you know, I have faith. I have faith that Division 4 is going to win. It'd be kind of a sucky finale if they didn't. That would be an interesting choice though, to leave it on a loss rather than a win. That'd be a choice. But I am just excited to dive on into this, so without further ado, let's get into it. Yeah, Aki's being choked out. Someone needs to save him. He can't die like this. This is not the way. Himeno. It's bad for your bones and for your lungs. Peer pressure. It worked. It's not your last. Oh no. Once you're ready to develop an addiction. Oh my god. What? What just happened? What? Huh? Did the ghost let go? Oh my god. That's some psychological bullshit. How in the world do you have that? Yeah. Wow. Oh. So if you don't have fear for it, it can't see you. It's kind of like killing her in a way. Aww. What an opening. That was crazy. I don't know if the ghost devil just knew about Himeno's love for Aki or Aki's love for her or what, but the ghost devil absolutely just let Aki kill her for Himeno, I think, for her love, her memories, right? I can't think of any other reason why the ghost devil would let him kill her. Oh, now you're scared. Oh my god. You were scared of her. Wow. Kobeni. She's amazing. Alright, Snake Girl is taken care of, at least for now. Yeah, gross. Samurai sword dude. Yeah, eat him. I'd love to see you try. Alright, time to kill some zombies. What if you just go to the next floor? Oh, do you? I think he might just take the elevator down. Yeah. Alright, it looks like Denji's gonna face the Sword Man on his own. A rematch. Oh! Wow, you found him quick. Let's have a chat. That's not Denji's way. I don't believe you. They killed him first. Sorry, dude.
てめえのお仲間もじいちゃんもゾンビなってたから殺したんだぜ。
嘘つくんじゃねえ。
He's not
敵のねえ
lying.
バカすぐ嘘つきやがる。
He's literally not lying.
本当だったとして、ゾンビも元は人間、そいつらを殺して、お前は心が痛んだのか。
No.
全然。
俺も沢渡りにいろいろされてな、心臓が刀の悪魔に。
Your heart was replaced with the Katana devil.
そんな俺でもな、かりゾンビを殺しちまった夜には眠れない。
You're just built
お前
different.
に限っては心がもう人じゃねえんだよ。
Oh,
少し
come
でも
on.
人の良心が残ってるなら、俺たちにおとなしく殺されねえか。
Idiot. No.
やだ。
Yeah.
じゃあ切り殺してやるよ。
やってみろよ、ベ
I don't know why he thought that would ever work.
何？俺を切り殺すんじゃねえのかよ。
He's been training. It's a bit more difficult now. Oh, don't fall over. Well, I guess you'd be okay, but still. Yikes. Oh, the train.
前よりは動けるみたいだが、お前は何のために
Why does everyone
戦ってる？
ask him that? Why do you
この生
care?
活を守るため。
公安様はそんな大層な暮らししてんのか。
Kinda.
口うるせえのとわが
It's
まま
better
な
than
の
the
が
one
い
he
いけ
had
どな。
before.
そこそこ気に入ってるぜ。だからさっさとてめえ倒してマキマさんに褒めてもらうんだ。
お前は俺には勝てね
Yes, he can.
もう勝ったつもりでいんのか？俺はまだ死んでねえぞ。
え。雑魚だ。
Oh. Yeah, yikes. Due to an incident. Oh no. Girl, why are you still here? Ooh. He protected her though. He cared about human life then. Can we ban that move?
ほざけ。
Oh no. Is his other arm gone now? Great.
終わりだ。
He's not.
もう戦えないだろう。
He can fight. He still has his head.
じいちゃん殺したことを死ぬ前に謝罪しろ。
No.
まだ戦えるぜ。頭んチェーンソーが残ってる。
Exactly.
バカが。
What'd you cut?
じいちゃんに教わらなかったか。引き時ってやつをよ。
No.
じいちゃんに謝罪しろ。そうしたら楽に殺してやる。
Oh man, I had such faith in Denji. How is he gonna turn this around?
ご丁寧に頭狙ってくれてよ。あんがとな、バーカ。
Huh? What?
じじいに教わらなかったか？獣が狩人の言葉。
Oh
信じるなってな。
my god. You tricked him. You fought the smart way. Wow, good job, Denji. I feel bad I lost faith in him at the end there. But also, can't that guy just come back? Burn his body. I think that's the only way to ensure that he won't come back. Wow, barbed wire.
目が覚めたか。やっぱあんた俺と同じなんだな。てめえの手の刀抜いたらさ、真っ二つの体もくっついたぜ。
Oh.
ぶっ殺してやら。
負け犬の声はでけえな。警察がてめえを迎え来る。ここでじーっと待ってなきゃなんだけどよ。俺はいろいろ納得できないんだよ。
You're not satisfied. What?
てめえは姫の先輩を殺した。面のいい美人が。てめえのせいで世界から一
Okay,
人減
okay,
ったんだ。
Denji.
なのにてめえは反省もせず、一生刑務所暮らし。
What are you gonna
それじゃ
do?
俺がすっきりしねえ。
お前には何もできねえだろう。公安の犬風罪がよ。
今から大会を開く。
こちら4課早川、時計館内線路内にて拘束済みの目標を発見。応援求む。
早川の先輩も参加するか？最強の大会に
What's
よ。
the contest?
お前は何を言ってんだ。
こいつは姫の先輩を弾で撃ったからこいつも弾を撃
We
たれ
take
る
shots at him. Wow.
だから大会を開く。お互いにこいつの金玉を蹴ってい
Nut
って
shots, of course.
警察
Oh
が
my
来るま
god.
で一番でけえ悲鳴を出させたやつのか。
This is
正気かお前
perfect. No, it's perfect.
呼んねえのか？
He's in. Absolutely.
俺たちのこいつを捕まえることだ。いたぶって嘘を晴らすことじゃない。
No, come on. You know you
そん
want
な
to
こと
kick
したっ
him.
て姫野先輩は喜ばない。
あ、そう。
Come on. Easy revenge. This would be easy revenge. Just kick him in the nuts.
勝ったら何くれんだ。
そりゃもちろんこいつの玉金や。
Bonding. Perfect. This is full circle. Full circle for them.
姫野先輩、天国まで聞こえるか。俺たちからあんたへのレクイエムだ。
今回のテロ事件は沢渡茜という元民間のデビルハンターが発端
Oh,
で
a
した。
devil hunter formerly from the
彼女
private
が銃
sector.
の悪魔と契約し、銃をヤクザに流しました。その対価として沢渡はチェンソーの悪魔の心臓を要求していたそうです。
それでなぜ沢
Yeah,
渡は
why?
チェンソーの悪魔の心臓を欲しがった？
それが聞き出す前に
No!
自殺。
銃の悪魔との契約で自動的に自殺したのかもしれません。
Wow.
今回の事件でビル内から銃の悪魔の肉片を 1.4 キロ押収。
That's a lot of
我
flesh.
々公安が持っている5キロの肉片と合わせた結果、ついに肉片が本体に向かって動
Oh,
き
it's
ました。
moving toward the main body, so we can track him.
どこに向かって動いた？
Cute. Oh, end credit scene. Oh, I love how it leaves off right after that ending. Is he finally gonna take that drag of the cigarette? Oh, this is the alleyway from like the first episode. Is Denji dreaming about this?
いつも見る夢だ。いつも忘れる夢。
デンジ、
ポチタ。ポチタ。出てこいよ。夢の中くらい撫でさせ
I
てく
can
れ
at。least pet you in a dream.
デンジ、絶対に開けちゃダメだ。
Huh? Why? That was Pochita, the real Pochita, right? Communicating to Denji.
デンジ君はさ、田舎のネズミと都会のネズミ、どっちがいい？
What? And that was Chainsaw Man, episode 12, the finale of season 1. A very interesting way to end the season. I honestly thought it was a little bit anticlimactic. It's just, you know, I understand why the final fight was between Denji and the samurai sword man. I understand it for a bunch of different reasons. They're narrative foils. They have a personal connection through the Yakuza. They are very similar in which their hearts have been replaced with the heart of a devil. And so they're both in the same situation. And so I understand having them be the final fight, but I feel like that fight wasn't as huge as some of the other ones that we've had in this season. And I just kind of felt a little underwhelmed by it, even though I did like the fact that Denji used his head to win this fight. He came up with a strategy and it panned out. He made the swordsman guy focus on the chainsaw in his head, leaving him to believe that was the only chainsaw left and that he couldn't possibly use a chainsaw from his legs to defeat him. So that was great. I love that because it showed growth in Denji as a fighter. But I still kind of just felt the whole fight was lacking a little bit. It's just not what I was expecting. I thought there was going to be a bigger fight. Honestly, with the Snake Girl, I thought a lot more was going to happen there. I do love that the Ghost Devil loved Himeno enough to let Aki go and give him the cigarette from her. Like, that was amazing. Like, this Ghost Devil, I feel like actually loved Himeno enough to stop herself from killing the boy Himeno loved and let Aki kill her. Like, that was incredible. I loved that. And then also the Snake Girl, she was like so shocked by everything, she never even noticed. Kobeni was there. She was there and she got her. knife to the throat, she got her. And I was like, that's amazing. Perfect. Now we can question her, we can get some information out of her, only for her to just like be killed. But at least now we have enough of the gun devil's flesh that the clump they have is now starting to move toward the main body, so we can finally track the gun devil, hopefully. So we did make some progress on the plot here. And then of course, the fights, they did have meaning. Narratively and emotionally, they had meaning in some way. I just felt like the big fight was Denji versus the swordsman guy, and it didn't cut it for me as a finale fight. It just didn't do it for me. Though I did like how we came full circle on the kicking each other in the nuts bit from earlier that Denji did to Aki. Now him and Aki are doing it to this man as revenge for Himeno. I love that full circle moment. Now they're bonding over this instead of at each other's throats. So that was good. I did like how we're kind of seeing Aki grow fond of these characters, like Power, Denji. I like that a lot. And I think the outro really, the ending for this episode, it really showed that in the imagery they chose, just to show us the three of them having a normal day together and being roommates. And it was just like very sweet and heartwarming. I liked that as an ending credit for this season. I think it was great. And then we had a post-credit scene. We had a couple of them actually. Very interesting. So first one, we had Aki smoke the cigarette from Himeno, which in my opinion is closure on that situation. So now we're going to move on. And then we had Denji dream of Pochita, and Pochita was talking to him. And Denji said he always has this dream, and then he wakes up and doesn't remember it. So is Pochita trying to communicate with Denji through his dreams? Can we get Pochita back in the series, please? I love Pochita. I love that Pochita can talk. Please, please bring Pochita back for season 2, because that's what this end credit felt like. It was setting up something. And I don't know what, because Pochita was like, you can't open that door. Why? What's behind the door? What does Pochita know that we don't? I just want Pochita to become a character again. We know Pochita is Denji's heart. Pochita has to be alive in there. I just want them back. They're so cute. I want them back. And then we had the weirdest post-credit scene of all, the last one, which some girl was asking Denji what kind of mouse he would like to be? What? What does that mean? You're comparing him to a mouse. Like what? He's some test subject? Like, what were the mice she was asking about? Her exact words, between the country mouse and the city mouse, which would you rather be? What does she mean by that? What does she mean by that? Who is she? Obviously a new character, because we were shown black hair and a bun, which the hairstyle is kind of reminiscent of Kobani, but it's not her. So who is this person? Why is she talking to Denji? And why is she questioning which mouse he would rather be, city or country? I feel like that's important just because it's so weird, but I have a feeling I'm going to forget like this scene once season 2 comes around, because I don't even know when season 2 is coming out. I think there's a movie actually. There's a movie before season 2, but I don't know if this is relevant for the movie or not. I don't even know what the movie's gonna be, because this didn't really set it up in any way that I can see, unless it's the gun devil, maybe? That's kind of the only thing, but we've been setting that up for like maybe half the season. So I feel like it's too soon to have the movie be about the gun devil, because we just have enough to start tracking it now. But I also can't think of anything else the movie could be about except the gun devil, because that's kind of what everything is about right now. Even these people that tried to kill off our division, they were employed by the gun devil. The gun devil wants Denji's heart, wants Pochita. Why? We still don't have an answer there. So everything is leading back to the gun devil, which makes me assume the movie is about the gun devil. But I don't know. Let me know in the comments down below what you thought about this episode and season 1 as a whole. If you enjoyed my reaction, please leave a like and subscribe, and check out my other shows here on the channel. And with that, thank you for watching. Until next time, bye!